Easy Christmas craft ideas for littles. So our first Christmas craft is a Christmas tree. You can use your child or student's footprint, or you could use their handprint and just put some green paint on there and decorate, and it makes the cutest keepsake for parents or anyone in their child's lives. You can also make tree Christmas cards using toothbrushes and Q-tips and using different Christmas colors. Add a little background to the card and they make the perfect keepsake. Also, you can do the joy Christmas card where you put yellow paint on your child or your student's hand, and that represents the O in joy. And then when they're all done, they can also write or draw something in the back of the card. Next is Christmas candy gang portraits, where you could talk about the Christmas story and how the red can represent Jesus' sacrifice and the white, his purity. Let me know if you've tried this. The next idea is Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus craft. You can make it into a portrait, or you can also have it as a Christmas card, and children will cut different shapes using construction paper to cut out their body, and it makes a great keepsake. It can make a portrait. You could also frame these for later, but this is just a fun way to help children connect the story. Another idea is a Christmas tree, a 3D Christmas tree. So these were actually, we did not, this came in a little kit that someone gave us in children's ministry. And so basically it is like a recycled cardboard cone of some sort, and it's foam material that's on the outside, and you just get gems and have kids decorate it. You can probably get some gems from Walmart or dollar store and add some garland. And my kids really enjoyed doing this activity. Another activity is a winter activity, making that classical snowflake. Let me know in the comments, do you remember making snowflakes as a child? I will leave the link to the YouTube video that we watched in the description box below. It's actually super easy. My youngest child is 5, and he was able to do it with assistance a little, but it was super fun and super easy, and it's a great winter craft. Can hang it up on your windows or in your classroom. Super, super fun. Another idea is the gingerbread man. Now this one was, again, another ready to go kit, but you could easily make this. Get some googly eyes, some brown construction paper, and green, and any colors you want to use for your gingerbread man, and it can make the perfect little ornament that you can put on a tree, or that you could also turn into a card and stick it on some paper. Now this is a Christmas freebie full of Bible readings and activities, everything from games to role playing to gift ideas to serving ideas that kids can do, young children can do. So I will leave the link of how you can get this freebie below in the description box, but super fun, super interactive, faith and literacy rich. And the book of the day is The Story of Christmas by Patricia A. Pingree. I actually have a whole Christmas and holiday gift guide, children's books ideas, and I will also link that below. But let me know now in the comments, have you tried any of these Christmas/winter craft ideas with young kids, with your kids or your students? Let's talk about it in the comments below. And if you're new here, my name is Brianna. I love sharing resources like this in the Brown Bear Book Club, so feel free to like and subscribe. Join the Brown Bear Book Club for free, where I send all types of resources from faith to literacy things to help you with your children or your class. Children's church, public school, homeschool, all things kids right here on this channel. Talk to you guys again another time. Bye guys.